In 1912, the largest passenger ship ever made hit an iceberg. You know what ship I'm talking about? Titanic, that's correct. And I know you know the story of the Titanic, but did you know that just 9 miles away from the Titanic, there was another ship called the Californian that could have helped save the people of the Titanic? What happened was the Titanic, when it hit the iceberg, sent up distress flares. And the Californians saw the distress flares. They didn't know what it meant, though. So they signaled back to the Titanic using flashing lights. What code do you think they used? Morse code is exactly correct. Now the problem with that was a great idea that the Californian had. The problem was, though, that in the Titanic, they weren't looking for Morse codes via light. They were in the radio house trying to send one of the first SOS messages ever sent by radio. Okay, so the Titanic was in the radio house using radio. The Californian was sending a message with light. The two never connected. The Californian didn't understand what was happening. They sailed off, and the Titanic sank. Okay, so we're hoping today with this next activity that you'll do a lot better than that. Okay, what we've got here is an activity that deals with Morse code, and it's very well outlined in the activity packet. What you folks will be doing today will be sending a message, and it's a little bit of a race. I forgot to tell you that part, and we're going to see who can send this message the quickest. Okay, and so what I'll do is I'll give you a little secret hidden message, all right? And you will be expected to transmit that message using flashlights, like we have right here. Okay, and remember that Morse code is a series of dots and dashes. Okay? Dots and dashes. All right? That's all you really need to know, other than the other thing that you need, of course, is to have a Morse code alphabet. Very handy when passing on a message with Morse code. All right, any questions? Okay, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and give each of you a message, and we'll see. Don't start till I say go. We'll see which team can send their message the quickest. Here we go. All right, on your mark, get set, go. Okay, we've got a team trying to figure out how one word ends and one begins. That's important. Remember, good communication takes both the sending of a message and the receiving of a message. Oh, we're getting close. We're getting close. You think you got it? Okay, what do you got? Okay, well, hang on, a little bit closer. What is your message? Let's see if you got it. We don't know if we got it right yet. What is your message?
Science is fun.
They've got it. Give them a hand, everybody. Good job. Okay.